So Weta, here is a little video to show you how to use Magistrula. First of all, you should have logged in, and if it's usually up here, so I'll log out for you. So sign out, sign in, and then I gotta get my other. I'm gonna use my fake student account to do this, and sign in. Nope. Go up to my stuff. Then underneath my stuff is assignments. Okay. The assignments are going to be over here. So I joined the class so that you'd be able to see what I see. I'll be able to see what you see. So over here, stage 7 verb homework due tomorrow. Click on it. Okay. And you're going to, this stays the same. Okay. See how it says click begin or press enter to continue? Okay. And so it says right here, 0 questions answered, 5 required. So this will tell you how many you have to do. You start with begin, and it gives you the vocab word that you're going to use right here. It gives you all 4 principal parts of the verb. It gives you the meaning of the verb, and it gives you where you're going to actually type your answers. So these are all for this homework first or second conjugation verbs. So they follow the same pattern. You copy the first principal part as the first person singular, and these are just the pronouns in Latin for the person. So I, you, he, illa means he, we, you all or you plural, and they. Okay, so we're going to type roboro for the first principal part because we copy it. And then we're going to drop the RE off the infinitive and robora. And then we're going to write that 5 times. And we're going to go back and we're going to put our personal endings on it. So S, T, mus, tis, NT. Okay. Now we're doing the English, and they told you that it means strengthen. So you just have to translate this form, and these are the pronouns. So it can't be much easier than that in the present tense. So I strengthen, you strengthen. He, yes, you have to use he because it's illa means he. He strengthens. You have to have the S or it'll mark it wrong. We strengthen. And I think they make you do it, y'all strengthen. We'll see when it gets, they strengthen. All right, so now we hit the submit button. Oops, hit the submit button. And it shows you everything, and I got them all right, okay? So to get all the English right, you have to follow their pattern. You have to use he, you have to use y'all, spelled like that, okay? It's a computer. It's not going to think. It's not going to come up with all the different ways to do it. You will then have it as a record right down here on this, okay? So then what do? You hit begin again, and you do it again, okay? Same format. Now this one, it came up with a second declension, but you follow the same pattern. I have set it so that you do not need to use any long marks. In fact, it probably will mark you wrong if you do the long marks because I have set it to none, so it's a computer. It doesn't think. It just listens to that and does it that way. If you if you get some wrong and you don't want that to be your grade, you can do more than 5. I will take your best 5. Okay? When you're done, you've already saved it. Once you've hit submit, it's already gone to me. This is already in your in what I can see. Okay, so what I can see is basically everything that you've done once you've hit submit. I can't see it while you're doing it, but I can see anything that you've submitted. So so yeah, use this to help you. If you get it wrong, you can then you get something wrong, you can use this to as, oh, that's what I did wrong, and then you can learn from your mistakes, right? Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.